DermaBrew is marketed as a natural skin rejuvenation supplement in powder form, inspired by what they call ancient Korean tea rituals. It claims to work from the inside out by balancing gut health and reducing internal inflammation to improve skin. According to their promotions, this drink can help with fine lines, sagging, dullness, and dark spots without using creams, injections, or expensive treatments. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now, let's talk about the red flags. The biggest one is the over-the-top anti-aging promises. DermaBrew claims to reverse fine lines, sagging, dullness, and dark spots naturally and from home, sometimes within just a few days or weeks. It even mentions that some people look 10 years younger simply by drinking the tea. But here's the problem. There is no scientific evidence that any herbal drink can erase wrinkles or turn back the clock on aging so quickly. These are exaggerated claims, not backed by peer-reviewed studies. Looking at the ingredients compared to the promises makes things even clearer. The product promises to reverse wrinkles, remove dark spots, eliminate sagging, and make you look a decade younger in weeks. But the actual formula is mostly collagen peptides with trace amounts of extracts like silica, hyaluronic acid, and acerola. Sure, collagen may give a slight improvement in skin elasticity and hydration if taken consistently for 2 or 3 months, but it's not going to erase wrinkles or stop aging. And there's no solid evidence these ingredients can eliminate progerin, the protein they claim is behind aging. In fact, many of the extracts are underdosed and used more as marketing fillers than functional ingredients. To add another concern, the product includes the FDA disclaimer at the bottom of the website. It clearly says that the supplement is not evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That means all the big promises about reversing aging are marketing language only, not verified medical facts. I also came across a user review that raises serious doubts. This person said the video ad they saw was AI generated, and the ingredients are definitely not unique or Korean. You could find them anywhere online. They also pointed out that the biggest red flag is the faster rejuvenation promise, because natural herbs and food don't give fast results. If something promises instant anti-aging effects, it usually means high-tech chemicals, not natural tea powders. And that's a really important reminder. Real health and skin improvements take long-term self-discipline, not shortcuts. On top of that, the website itself looks questionable. There's no terms and conditions page, which is a basic necessity for any real business. The email listed for contact seems generic and unprofessional. Even worse, the phone number they provide isn't valid. It only has 9 digits instead of 10, making it a fake contact number. That's a major red flag for trustworthiness. So when you put this all together, the exaggerated claims, the weak ingredient list, the AI-style marketing, the fake contact details, and the lack of proper website information, DermaBrew starts to look more like a marketing trick than a legitimate anti-aging solution. If you've seen the flashy ads talking about secret Korean recipes or miracle skin teas, you should know that these are overhyped pitches designed to lure people in. Always be cautious, always check the details, and most importantly, consult with a qualified healthcare professional